Big gap up today, but the bears took control by day's end. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Thursday, July 9th, 2015. Spiders in the day in mildly bullish territory. Same with the Dow, Nasdaq though, slightly in bearish territory. Small caps doing the best, up 0.36%. Banks confirming today's slightly bullish move by being up nearly 1%. Silver rising 2%. Gold up 0.25%. US dollar up 0.3%. And the VIX up a mere fraction. Here we are taking a look at the S&P 500 ETF, exchange traded fund, which is called the Spider, SPY, using tradingview.com. And here we are taking a look at a symmetrical triangle. If you'll notice here, we had this nice symmetrical triangle with the blue lines. Just focus your eyes on the blue lines. 2 points will draw a straight line coming across. Here, a point, a second point, boom, and then we gap down below that major area of support, which is very common when support is broken. And then today I encompass recent price action with two red lines, giving us kind of a falling wedge type formation. And a couple things I want to bring to your attention. Volatility is really starting to increase here, and most of it has to do with the bearish activity. Matter of fact, if you were to count back 14 trading days, now that is 1 day away from being 3 weeks, okay? So 1 day shy of 3 weeks. Every day has ended in a red candlestick but two. Another bit of factual insight is that volume has increased as of late. So you've had to tick higher on volume. You had more red candles than white or green candles. Furthermore, the average true range, or the ATR, is ticking higher, meaning that the trading ranges on these candlesticks are growing in size compared to what they have been back here. Look how small the candlesticks are compared to some of these larger ones. So this is indicative to a big turning point in the markets, meaning that these are the signs to a major correction taking place. Now we could chop around up here for a little while, but I'm telling you, and I've been saying this, the markets are broken. The markets are giving us the best chance that they have given us in years right now to start heading southbound and giving us a nice correction. We need a correction in the markets. And with that said, we need the banks to drop. So if I go here and take a look at the banks had a nice pop. Remember yesterday I said we were at a major support line on banks. Watch for a pop. Sure enough, boom, big pop. And I mean, it's a significant one. It's almost a 1% pop here today. So a nice little rally. If it continues heading higher, the market should follow suit. So all eyes are here on that. Now the VIX, if you guys remember, I said falling wedge. I said be watching for this breakout of VIX to the upside, and I said in the video, if this breaks out to the upside, that's very bearish for the markets, and that could be a telltale sign that the markets could in fact start to drop. And sure enough, boom, to the upside, and the VIX, or the fear indicator, has done nothing but rally from that point. And look at the volume on the VIX. This is an ETF on the VIX that is just went hugely bullish, which means it's a bearish signal for the markets. And that's what you're looking at right here. All right, there you have it. Listen to the end of this video. Some big announcements, and you want to be a part.
This may or may not be you, but traders who come to Grok Trade for help are sharp, well-educated, and have made money in the past. However, trading was a real struggle for them. They bought high and sold low. They let small losses turn into large losses. They kept losing money. This does not have to be you. They made a change before it was too late. Grok Trade students trade within the live markets with confidence. Get signed up for mentoring today before it's too late for your trading.
Tim Cole.
I'm Mike Reed.
My name is Randeep Kapoor.
Shane Parker.
Hi, I'm Steve Gould.
Mary Olson.
My name is Spiro Karajanis.
Mike Muller.
My name is Caroline Alexan, and I've been day trading full-time for about 2.5 years.
What did you think of the mentorship?
I am just thrilled with it. I think it's a great program.
It kept me going, kept my brain moving.
In 20 years, I learned this much about trading. I think that this weekend gave me this much to add on it.
This is actually my second time through mentorship, so this is a refresher for me. And I'm picking up nuggets that I missed the first time around, and I feel more confident to use all this information.
It's given me a skill level that's a much, much higher level.
You learn stuff that you will not learn in any other course. I've taken a bunch of different courses. I've never seen this stuff taught before. No one else teaches it. I mean, you've given us such golden nuggets today, or this week. You know, it's well worth taking this class.
It has helped unbelievably. I mean, I can't even explain it. I'm literally at a loss for words right now.
So if there was someone out there who was thinking about joining the mentoring class, kind of on the fence, what would you tell them?
I would definitely say this is something that you need if you're struggling with consistency in your trading results.
You need to have good education, good understanding, otherwise you will get killed in the market.
You can understand why they're doing what they're doing, how to trade successfully, how to make the proper setups, what you're looking for, and how to go from being a newbie to a professional trader in a short period of time.
You're not going to be able, on your own, floundering or just reading books, to be able to sit down and pick the brain of very successful traders and be able to incorporate that into your own trading.
You learn something that you didn't know before, and learning is always good, no matter how old you are.
Mentoring is all about helping you really get your hands on and practice it.
I would tell anybody who's on the fence, it took me 20 years to learn this much. This much. And you know what? Maybe it's really this much, but I'm trying to, tell you that I know a little bit more. And I got this much, out of this weekend. So I think you got to be crazy to want to go through years of heartache to learn stuff that experts can teach you right away.
I've just realized being here how important it is to get some formal education in trading. You get so many things from so many different directions, and to have it all brought together and put in front of you, your toolkit so you can use it, is really invaluable.